Bosey on the road. And
hi everyone, this is Bosey on the road. Not been on for a while. I'm sure Roy will explain when he gets a chance. But we thought we'd like to invite you on our journey today as a family. It's been ages since we had a family day out, but we are going to, and I've got to get this right. Where are we going, Dad?
Porthmadog.
Porthmadog in English, but Porthmadog or whatever in Welsh. And we're just going to show the kids, because the kids haven't seen the steam engine. And it's such a lovely place. Very friendly, and some really nice shops as well. So we're on our way now. We've just left Rill and we are going to join the motorway, and I know you want to be bored with that. So come back later to you. Bye. See you soon.
Bye. Yeah. My channel. Yeah? Right. See you when we get to Porthmadog. Bye.
Beautiful is this at Porthmadog, eh?
Yeah.
Look at the estuary right up there.
Yeah. Estuary. Love it. I love it.
Millie loves it. Don't you, Millie?
Yeah. Hang on.
I hope you've seen the motorbikes. Looking at the bikes?
Yeah.
Can't see in this light, love. Go on, say hello, Mr. Bowes.
Hello,
this is
Mr.
Bowes.
Welcome to Bosey on the road.
Lovely bikes, isn't it? What is it? A BMW, Roy? Oh, is it? Oh my gosh. Gorgeous, isn't it? Really nice bike.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Get you one more done. Look at that one, Mum.
Where? Oh, the blue one. Yeah, let's have a look at it. This is Essie's world, our Essie. Part of her world. Oh, look at that blue. You like blue, don't you, love? Oh, that's beautiful, isn't it? The red one over there, haven't they?
Yeah.
So, we've just had a wander around the car boot and we're walking up here now. We've just spotted the train, so we're going to have a look at the steam train.
A cracker. Like a book.
What do you think of this, Essie? Yeah. Oh, look at this. Yeah.
I'm just interested that we get there.
That would be great, wouldn't it? Turn round there, you can see it. Gotta wave, Esther, to the passengers. Gotta give them a wave. Give them a wave. Bye. Wave, bye. Bye. Oh. Bye. It's empty. We could have got on there. Bye. Bye. No, never, never, never.
Yeah, just delightful.
Well, we're going to close the video now.
Well, we've had a beautiful day. The sun came out and we had a lovely meal out as well. So we are now on our way home, and we just said thank you for being with us, seeing it's been a while since it's been Bosey on the road, and he wants me to finish off because he's tired and he's driving. He's not the only one I'm flipping flat out as well. Alright folks, I know it's only a short video, but if you like it, please like, subscribe if you don't cost nothing, and ring the bell if you feel like it. Alright, God bless you all, see you soon.
So, as she said, on our way home, close the video, it's been a while since we saw you, but we're back and we've got loads planned. We go to Scotland again for 2 weeks this time, not just one, so we'll take the drone, get the drone up. We're off on a cruise in early August, so we'll take you along there. So we've got loads planned this week, plus this year, plus some bikes if it stops raining. Oh my goodness, the rain. Anyway, see you soon. Bye.